you guys today. It is fantastic. I do love you so much, and that's why I want to give you this recipe. I know you guys are going to love this because it's just an amazing, you know, I'm always giving you different kind of recipes, you know it. I give you some of the most beautiful recipe for you guys to make at home. I'm always have to give back something to you because guys, you love me so much and I love you too. And you know what I mean, I give you juice, I give you meat free Monday and all different kind of healthy recipe for you to work with at home to look after yourself. Every night we do normally do a healthy tea recipe, so stay tuned in with this beautiful and an amazing healthy tea recipe we've been doing every other night. We do high blood pressure, you name it. So do not miss this one, and just remember also we are here to fill some of the gap with you guys. So if you missed the videos, remember the video right there, you guys can watch and stay tuned in with Chef Ricardo. Thank you so much for all of that beautiful love, and now this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna deliver on an amazing recipe to you for you to make at home. So stay tuned in and let's do this together. To the YouTube channel, tell a friend, and a friend tell a friend. All right, yeah man. So right over here, all right, I have one medium-sized beetroot which I'm already cut up and peel. All right, so I peel it, remove the skin and cut it up, and I'm going to put it straight into the blender. That's one medium-sized beetroot, which I'm going to be using. Also, we have one lime. We're just gonna put one medium-sized lime in it, and we're gonna get our favorite ginger. It's a must. Let's get some fresh ginger. All right, so we have some fresh ginger which we're gonna be using inside of it like this. I was going to be using 2 beetroot, but I'm going to use 1 because I want to drink beetroot for the next few days. So I'm going to use just 1 beetroot inside of it. Now we're going to put a green apple inside of it. A green apple definitely going to bring lovely flavor to it. All right. So we're gonna put the green apple inside of it. Excellent. So I use 1 medium-sized green apple inside of it. Okay, now you can add orange, whatever you like, you can add to it, but I'm just using what I have at the moment. All right, yeah. So we got the ginger, we got the green apple. So the beautiful part now is we're just gonna use natural water inside of it. 1 cup of water. Excellent, just like that. Lovely. Then lead. Excellent. All right. So you want to leave it just like that. So we're gonna make some nice and blend it up. All right. Okay. Now, in the meantime, this is the book. You can also get yourself a copy of the book, From Poverty to Purpose. It's on Amazon. All right. Get yourself one of this, an amazing book, guys. All right. Read it for yourself. Lovely. Okay. Now, that's how it looks. So, all right. Now, Where's my blender? All right. So I need to during the day today, and this is how it looks, guys. An amazing one. Beetroot, my favorite drink from ever since. You can smell that ginger inside of it. That was amazing. Look at that, guys. Beautiful one. Yeah, so people, you can see exactly what I'm talking about right here. So I got beetroot juice to drink for the next 3 more days. All right. Use a spoon. Squeeze out that liquid. All right. Yeah. This is one of my favorite drink. I'm telling you the honest truth. I'm always doing this one, to be honest with you.
Simmering in a coconut stew, planting gold and brown is true. Kitchen's alive with his brew. Ricardo,
look at that. Excellent. This is really good. All right, you can put some of it inside, but there's a 5% of it is right there. Okay, yeah, man. Lovely. People, this is amazing one. All right, I'm telling the honest truth. It is a beautiful drink. I'm gonna just pour it out quickly. All right, and that's the way it looks so far. I didn't taste it, but I know it's a beautiful cup of drink where you guys definitely can also make at home. Hope you will like the recipes. Leave your comments. As I say, let's start the new year like this, okay? I know a lot of people have a lot of plan for the new year resolution, but hopefully whatever you do, make it be a blessing to the end of the year. All right, 2025. Starting the year with some natural juice. Yeah, it's going to work really good for you right straight through the year, honestly. It's an amazing recipe, and I know you guys definitely will like this one. Beetroot, you can't go wrong. Help to boost the immune system and also help you with your beautiful skin. And it's also very good for blood pressure. Very good for so many benefits in it. It's unbelievable. So why not try something where we know we used to, all right? I know that, yes, beetroot is one of the list one also. Enjoy the recipe. Tell a friend, and a friend tell a friend. We definitely will give you some more fantastic and an amazing recipe where you guys can also make at home. Anyway, quick update again. The book sale is still available for each and every one of us to get. Lots of people didn't get the book over the holiday period, so just remember you can also get the book, a copy on Amazon. And whatever you do, stay blessed. Thank you for watching. Please watch that video. Please.